Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel Aqualuna 73. This is going to be another zodiac sign reading. Please be in mind these are general readings and it's not time like limited to any time frame. It could resonate with you at any time. Also there might be cross watches. It could be your energy or someone you deal with, etc. Anyway, thank you for subscribing, for watching my content and supporting me. You are so appreciated. Thank you for being here and God bless you. So we're going to continue with the reading now. First I'm going to draw an oracle card and then we're going to discuss, Libra, what lessons and messages the universe has for you today and what the universe wants to allow to come through for you today. If there's any background noise that's going to filter through, I apologize in advance for that. Okay, so let's continue. What lessons and messages do you have, my Libra collective? Please and thank you. Something is popping up into my head, the word assessment. Assessment is popping up into my head now. So there's something that you need to assess. You know that card in the tarot deck where the man is standing like with in the Rider-Waite tarot deck, there's this man, there's this bush, and on this bush there are several coins and he's basically staring and watching. So basically what that card indicates is someone assessing the hard work. Okay, so this is what I pick up for you, Libra. You put in a lot of effort into something, a lot of hard work you put into something. Okay, so let's see what this is. The well watcher, wisdom, power of the divine. Okay, that's beautiful. This is beautiful. I love this card, the well watcher, wisdom, power of the divine. I don't know what this is that you need to assess. Let's see. You need to apply wisdom to the situation that you're assessing. And you need to tap into some type of higher power, your higher self basically, to understand this assessment or the assessing of the situation. I don't know what this is. Let's see. I'm going to show 6 cards. First card is this card. This is the 8 of Cups. Okay. This is your energy that you're currently in. I don't know if you feel disappointed about something. Here in this card, it comes across that you're withdrawn, Libra, and you're disappointed in something. Okay, this is your current energy that you're in. But you need to approach the situation from this perspective. I don't know exactly what this is. But there's this one scenario that's playing off in my head now. There could be a situation where it says you need to assess something. And I also said the word worried is coming to mind. I don't know if you're worried about something, you're assessing something. Something tells me you're worried about something and you're assessing something. Yeah, with this card as well, with this 8 of Swords. And this worry is basically blinding you to something. Okay. You're in your head about something, you're worrying about something, I don't know if it's some type of disappointment that occurred. Okay, you withdrawn. You know what is coming through? This could be one scenario. I don't know exactly what your situation is, but this is what's playing off in my head. Now, say for instance, you are someone, you work very hard, and you basically a perfectionist, and you are very meticulous in what you do. So basically, if you're some type of artist or you're doing some type of art, you're very meticulous in what you do. You can see small details that you find maybe is wrong in something, and you constantly change this because you want something to be perfect. Okay, and you basically invested in something. It could be some type of art project, it could be a career, even a relationship. Maybe it's just some type of career move. I don't know what this is, but something tells me that whatever this is, you are disappointed, but this disappointment isn't in somebody. You're not disappointed in someone else. This is you. It's almost like you're disappointed in yourself. I don't know why. Okay. I think you're too hard on yourself, Libra, about something. Because the other thing that also came up is in my meditation. I'm just trying to pick up more energy from these two cards here. Just hold on a second. Okay, this is your third card, is the Knight of Pentacles. It comes across that you're very defensive, and basically it's almost like here with this Knight of Pentacles. I don't know if this is, with this Knight of Pentacles, I don't know if you invested in something or gave something to someone. It doesn't come across that you gave something to someone. It comes more across like investing in yourself, like your dreams or business, something that was something personal for you. Okay, so what I pick up is you're basically criticizing yourself regarding something, and you're very hard on yourself regarding this. Yeah, with these two cards, you're very hard on yourself. And it's like you're your own worst critic, basically. It's not external critic, it's inside. And this critic is basically causing some type of disappointment and turmoil in you. And it makes it puts you in this energy where you're blindfolded. Okay, so what I pick up is maybe sometimes when we are in a stressed out situation, maybe at work, or yeah, maybe there's some type of stressful situation. Maybe you have a stressful situation at home where you're taking care maybe of an elderly parent or a sick child or whatever, and you basically hard on yourself, and you're feeling like you're not doing enough. This is what you're feeling. You're feeling like you're not doing enough, or what you are doing is not enough. Something to that effect, okay? But the universe is disagreeing with you, okay? It's like the universe is telling you, yeah, you don't need to be this hard on yourself, Libra. It's like here with this Knight of Pentacles. This is something doing, say for instance, you're somebody, you're taking care of someone that's sick. You basically love what you're doing because you care about people. But the universe wants you to stop for a little while. Yeah, with this Knight of Pentacles, it's a slow energy. Stop for a little while. Smell the roses. Don't be so hard on yourself, Libra. Assess the situation and look at this thing and tell yourself, listen, you know what? I'm going to pat myself on the back and say, I did a good job. I think, like, I'm like that too, okay? Uh, in my jewelry business, I accomplished something which I didn't think I would accomplish, okay? Or I get something right, and basically you don't acknowledge this, and then somebody else comes and this person sees the value in what you're doing, or tells you, wow, your stuff is amazing, it's beautiful, and you like, okay. It's like you never give yourself credit for the stuff that you do and how amazing you are, okay? And you should start doing that. You should start acknowledging what an amazing human being you are, Libra. This is basically what this reading is about. It's like you trying to, I don't know if you're trying too hard on something. Okay, let's just see what this is. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at this. Queen of Wands. This is you. I just told you. You don't acknowledge this. Other people see it, Libra. And people around you see your worth. You need to see your own worth right now, okay? Libra needs to start to acknowledge how amazing they are, wonderful job they are doing. Okay. Stop and smell the roses. Because I think there might be situations where you're not doing this. You're so busy. Okay, you're very busy. You're all over the place. And you're not stopping and acknowledging the moments that are at hand. Enjoying the intimate moments, the quiet spaces, maybe just go sitting down and just absorbing your own energy and realizing, okay, you know what? The tarot reader was right about me. I am a very nice individual. I'm a good person. Okay, Libra. So this is the Ten of Wands. Okay. The Ten of Wands is associated, let me just drink some water. The Ten of Wands is associated with someone carrying a lot of burdens. And like I said in the beginning, you're hard on yourself. You may be a very good person, caring individual. You love helping people. You're a nice individual. But somehow you're hard on yourself and you're not acknowledging these parts. Okay, maybe because at some stage somebody made you feel that, I don't know, somebody made you doubt this in yourself, or something happened that made you doubt this about yourself. So I don't know what this is, okay? You have a lot of responsibilities. This card speaks of a lot of responsibilities, hard work. It's like I said, this acknowledgement and assessment, and this is like you acknowledging, okay, the value. It's acknowledging your value, the input that you put into stuff, the effort that you put into things and people and situations, etc. Okay. And it's almost like the universe, this assessment okay, that you need to do. Is almost like taking a step back, and like I said, you acknowledging by being quiet and starting to acknowledge your growth, okay, the progress that you made, and start patting yourself on the back and saying you did a sterling job, you did an amazing job. Okay, because sometimes we're so hard on ourselves. Okay, I know, I'm like that too. Because you are someone, you may be taking on too much, okay, because you care so much about people. But in the end, at the end of the day, just think about that. You're depleting yourself at the expense of others. And this is going to cause some type of defensiveness in you. And you're going to become agitated and angry. And then you're going to wonder, where the hell is all these emotions coming from? Okay. And I think yeah, with this, it's almost like there's a fear attached to this 10 of Wands too. It's like, it's almost like you're telling yourself, if I stop certain things or withdraw myself from certain situations and people, is that going to make me a bad person? No. It's going to make you a person of higher value. It's going to make you a person that's discerning about what you allow and what you don't allow and how people treat you. Basically, you're going to create some type of sound boundaries, okay? This is what you're going to do. And it's going to make you feel more at ease and at peace inside of you. I honestly don't know why you would think this, Libra, but I strongly get the feeling you're hard on yourself. I don't know exactly why, or if it's stemming from one specific incident or situation or something that happened. Most of the time when we are people pleasers, I mean, I was like that too. Most of the time when we are people pleasers, it's because we grew up or we were in some type of abusive situation in the past, okay? It could be, it doesn't mean it's your parents that were abusive. It could be, I mean, back then when I was a child, corporal punishment in schools was a normal thing. Okay, a teacher would, if you just got one sum wrong or a sentence, they would hit you with a cane. Okay, so that's abuse. And later on, as the educational system changed, they took out corporal punishment from schools. Okay, and they had to seek alternative means to discipline children because that's physical abuse. I mean, this is the same type of abuse that people used on slaves, okay? Okay, they hit them to get them to work or properly or harder or whatever, okay? This is not how you treat another human being. So, I don't know exactly what the situation is, Libra, that you're facing, but you need to pull your energy back in a situation and be discerning about what you allow and what you don't allow. Acknowledge yourself, your hard work, your effort that you put in. For some of you, this could be actually some type of project. Okay, if you're not someone that takes care of family or friends, it could be some type of project. You invested a lot, but you're basically not acknowledging the hard work that you put into this. And you need to understand that along the way, when you do something, okay, sometimes when painters do paintings and stuff like that, it takes them sometimes weeks upon months to years to finish something. And it takes a lot of time and effort, okay? And then there is this thing, I don't know if all artists are like this, especially when you put in a lot of effort into something. It's like you grow this attachment to what you created. Okay, and you basically don't want to sell the thing because you've worked hard on this and it's your creation. Okay, so a lot of artists ask themselves, is the person that's going to receive this appreciate it as much as I do? Because you know exactly the effort that went into this. So what you need to do is exactly that, is acknowledge the effort and stop and start assessing the situation, telling yourself you did an amazing job and you worked very hard. Like pat yourself on the back. Okay, I think I wanted to draw a last card now and ask for advice, last advice for Libra. This is the card that you got for last advice. Death isn't something that you need to fear. This is death of this energy inside of you. This is something that needs to transform so that something new can sprout. It makes me think of a seed. Okay, this is an analogy of the seed being planted in dark soil and being buried. And in order for this seed to sprout, it needs pressure. So the soil is the pressure that's put on top in order for this seed to sprout and grow. Okay, so this is exactly what needs to happen. This, I don't know if you feeling some type of pressure. I don't think this is it. It's only you not acknowledging, but you, it's almost like you need to put this thing to death inside of you, this judgment basically that you have of yourself. So I'm going to draw because if you have to work on that. If you do this Libra, it means there is something in your self-love that you need to look at, because you're still hard on yourself, and the person that really is in love with himself, if I can put it that way, won't be this hard on themselves. So stop criticizing yourself. This is a wound that's stemming from somewhere. I don't know where. It could be from the past. Okay, let's see what lessons and messages do we have. You would be surprised. Okay, sometimes you have a reaction to something, and usually this is what I've noticed also. Okay, say for instance, you face a situation and you don't, or there is a situation and you don't face it. What eventually is going to happen is this pressure going to put on something and it's going to explode. I did a reading before this where I spoke about the same thing. Okay, so I don't know what this is for you, because of you being so hard on yourself. Yeah, you know what I think here? I think it's almost like validation. It's almost like you, yeah, the way of codependency. Addictive behaviors are affecting your romantic life. This is what I pick up now, Libra. It's almost like you being a you are criticizing yourself, but it's stemming from a trauma response wound, okay, of maybe a parent-child dynamic, or I don't know, it could be an older individual and you were a child. And it's basically this person never acknowledged the compliment. This person never acknowledged any accomplishments in you, never praised you. Okay, so this person basically never praised you if you did something. They never said something, yay, go Libra, I'm so proud of you and stuff like that. So you're basically seeking validation outside of yourself. Okay, this is why you're so hard on yourself and you're not acknowledging the hard work that you're doing. So you need to stop that, because this is what's causing you seeking validation because of a lousy individual somewhere in your past that was mean, Libra. A mean individual. It could be in your childhood. This person maybe shut down things that you said or told you to shut up as a child, or it could be anything. Okay. This is what's coming to mind. Children, there was this quote, children should be seen, not heard. Okay. It's almost like this person told you that. And this is why you never felt you had a voice. Okay. So, Libra, my sweet, lovely, darling Libra. I'm going to draw another card. I don't like it to end like this. Please don't do this to yourself. Be honest. Heart-to-heart conversations are necessary. It is safe for you to talk about your feelings. I think your current situation that you're in, okay? This emotion that you're feeling is overshadowing this whole situation because of this wound that you have. Okay, so it's almost like, I don't want to put it this way, but I'm not dismissing what you're feeling, Libra, but your current situation that you're in, maybe you're in a loving marriage, you have wonderful friends and supportive colleagues and so forth, but that wound is still there, and sometimes it gets triggered by some type of thing that happens, and then it comes up and you start to not validate yourself, and you seek the validation outside of yourself, and you start to feeling depleted. And okay, it's like a repetitive thing that continuously goes on and on and on. Okay, so the best thing that you can do is, if it's possible, okay, is seek counseling. And it's nothing to be ashamed of. Okay, Libra, we all have issues, all of us. Trust me when I tell you, we all have issues. Look at the world that we live in. There's no shame in admitting that we need help, okay? So you just need to be honest about this. Heart-to-heart conversations with the people currently in your life that care about you, okay? These other individuals in your past are long gone. It's just you sitting with the memories and the echoes of the past, and it's still there, lingering, and it needs to die, Libra. It needs to die. Anyway, this is your reading for today. Very intense, but also beautiful. Stay beautiful. Love you, Libra. Please take care. Bye.